Sharing an Airtable base is easy. Sharing it securely is where most people mess up. One wrong setting can expose your data or let someone change things by mistake. In this video, I'll show you how to share an Airtable base securely, step by step, in 2026. All right? First, decide what you actually need to share. Is it the entire base, a single table, or just a view? Security starts with sharing the minimum, not everything by default. Now, click the Share button in the top right of your base. This opens all sharing options, including email invites and share links. Everything secure starts from this panel. The safest way to share is with specific people. Invite users by email and choose their permission level. Only give edit access if they truly need it. Most people should be viewers or commenters. All right, quick breakdown. Viewers can only see data. Commenters can leave notes but not change records. Editors can change data and structure. Giving editor access is powerful, so use it carefully. If someone only needs to see data, don't share the full base. Create a read-only view and share just that view. This protects your main data while still giving visibility. Now, public links. If you turn on a share link, anyone with that link can access it. Always check whether the link allows editing or only viewing. For sensitive data, avoid public links entirely. Security isn't one time. Regularly review who has access to your base. Remove people who no longer need it. Former clients, old team members, or contractors. For collaboration, use comments instead of edits whenever possible. This keeps discussions visible without risking accidental data changes. It's safer and easier to track. And that's how to share an Airtable base securely. Limit access, choose the right permissions, and review sharing regularly. Do this once properly and you avoid most data and collaboration problems.